A woman who opened fire into Rihanna's Beverly Crest compound is now facing attempted murder and assault charges. And tonight we have learned just how close the megastar came to being seriously injured or worse. CBS LA's Nicole Comstock is outside the singer's home. And Nicole, you're seeing some heightened security after this incident?
That's right. We've seen security guards tonight just keeping a really close eye on anyone coming up or down this street. And earlier today, during her first court appearance, the suspect accused of shooting at Rihanna's home withdrew a not guilty plea and had her arraignment postponed until March 25th. But we did also learn some new and disturbing details about just how close this world-renowned singer came, and her family for that matter, to being seriously hurt or killed.
So, Ms. Ortiz, at this time, the court will issue the protective order.
A judge issues a protective order against the woman accused of shooting at Rihanna's Beverly Crest home. Even though it's unlikely she can bond out, her bail was increased to $1.875 million.
In that residence, Rihanna was there with her partner, her 3 children, her mother, and 2 staff people.
This afternoon, LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman revealed that Rihanna and her longtime partner, rapper A$AP Rocky, were both inside this Airstream trailer on her property, which was also hit by gunfire. The suspect, 35-year-old Ivana Lisette Ortiz of Florida, was charged with 1 count of attempted murder against Rihanna. The criminal complaint calls the act willful, deliberate, and premeditated. Ortiz was also charged with 10 counts of felony assault with a firearm and 3 felony counts of shooting at a camper.
The motivation for Ms. Ortiz is under full investigation. Law enforcement will be looking at any videos on social media.
Because her faith is the devil. Rihanna's faith is the devil, okay? I don't like her, and she's always trying to steal from me.
Public videos Ortiz appears to have recently posted to YouTube show her pausing mid-Bible verse to spread wild conspiracy theories about Rihanna.
She only did her little music thing so that she can do witchcraft.
The social media posts are incredibly helpful. They show evidence of motive and premeditation.
Nima Rahmani is a former federal prosecutor and the president of West Coast Trial Lawyers in LA. He says the defense is going to have a very hard time trying to explain these charges away. But he also says they may use her behavior to argue an insanity defense.
It's very hard to prove, and jurors almost always reject this defense.
Today, LAPD Chief Jim McDonnell said when they searched Ortiz's car at the Sherman Oaks Galleria Sunday, they recovered an assault rifle, discharged cartridge casings, live ammo, and a blonde wig.
My understanding is the person drove here from Florida. How long they've been in the area, I don't have that information.
Hochman says if convicted on all charges, the suspect could face life in prison. But Rahmani, however, says since no one was killed in this incident, it could be more likely that the sentencing range in this case could look something like the suspect spending a decade or more in prison. Reporting live in Beverly Crest, Nicole Comstock, CBS LA.